Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kshama Singh and you're watching my channel, that is Artism by Kshama. Guys, this video will going to be the third video of my Christmas series. So come, let's draw with me. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to draw a reindeer. So friends, we almost completed with our painting and now it's your turn to tell me which part of the video you like the most, and do share your views below in my comment section. And guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share to my YouTube channel, that is Artism by Kshama.